Top health benefits of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet actually originated as a tool for treating neurological diseases such as epilepsy. Studies have now shown that the diet can have benefits for a wide variety of different health conditions. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can improve risk factors like body fat, HDL cholesterol levels, blood pressure and blood sugar. Cancer. The diet is currently being used to treat several types of cancer and slow tumor growth. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause massive reductions in seizures in epileptic children. Parkinson's disease. One study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. One animal study found that the diet can reduce concussions and aid recovery after brain injury. Acne. Lower insulin levels and eating less sugar or processed foods may help improve acne. However, keep in mind that research into many of these areas is far from conclusive. The final word is, a ketogenic diet may provide many health benefits, especially with metabolic, neurological or insulin-related diseases. If you want to know about 5 veggies to boost female metabolism, please click the link in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Take care.